but olive oil and shallots is what I have here. They've sweat down about 3 minutes. I have some fresh oregano, and wait till you smell that hit the oil, and some beautiful fresh thyme as well. A little pinch of salt to keep these sweating. And then I'm gonna go with a little paprika to give us just a hint of that smokiness that we would have gotten from the bacon.
So you don't even need the bacon if you have
I'm not gonna go that far, but you know, if you guys can say that, sure. And then what I do to this is add a whole bunch of lacinato or dinosaur kale right in like this. And that's gonna be about 3 or 4 minutes. But then I'm also gonna roast it in the oven. And you want a green that's not gonna get soggy like a spinach might. So what I have here are some ramekins that we buttered. I put the kale into these buttered dishes.
A little cream?
Actually, let's crack an egg first,
Oh, okay,
so
fine.
these are, I didn't even tell everyone what we're making. We are making shirred eggs with kale.
Oh.
And that is just a fancy way of saying we're baking them with cream, guys. It's delicious.
So that basically means that you're gonna bake them in the oven.
Oh, yes. So these are gonna go into a 350-degree oven, 8 to 10 minutes. And here's the best part. Well, besides the cream going on, the best part is you can do all of this the day in advance, all the kale and everything, and then just crack the egg on and throw them in the oven.
Yes,
so
indeed.
if you're doing a brunch party or something, go with about a tablespoon of heavy cream here.
A little cheese?
And some pecorino cheese right on top.
Yes.
Just to show you how they come out, this is after 10 minutes. You want to take them out just before the egg is set to your desired depth, because it'll keep cooking in the
And serve them with
dish.
little toast strips.
Little soldiers.
Beautiful,
Yum.
little
Oh, that's
soldiers.